Do you find it difficult to listen to and understand phrases in the workplace? Or are you considering or preparing for a new career in an English-speaking environment and you're worried about the phrases and the language used in offices when working? Or do you currently work the business world and want to improve your English language business skills? Or are you a non-native student who's aiming to get an undergraduate degree in business, for example, and an MBA in the future, and needs familiarity with the language of business, the language of the office? Well, if you answered yes to any of those questions, then this is the course for you, because it will teach you to master 100 key office phrases. And this is a list of frequent and important phrases which are used in the office. To introduce myself, my name is Aidan Toomey. I'm a professional business English language teacher with 20 years international corporate world experience and a bachelor's degree in communications. Also a native English speaker from England with TEFL qualifications. And in this time, I've been lucky enough to help thousands of students with their English. And I'd love to be able to do the same for you. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and use 100 key office phrases, which means that you will be able to communicate more effectively in the workplace. I'll teach you the key office phrases using my easy to follow method, and the course includes lots of activities, and also there are lots of worksheets to ensure easy learning. So if you're ready to start learning, take the first step to mastering 100 key office phrases. Please click the enroll button, or if you need more time to decide, then watch the free preview videos, and I hope to see you on the course.